Imagine a world where lakes freeze from the bottom up, where every winter aquatic life is doomed. Seems bleak, right? Thankfully, our world doesn't work that way because of one strange and wonderful quirk of water: ice floats. Today, we're re-diving deep into why that happens, why it might just be one of nature's cleverest life-saving hacks. Let's rewind a bit. Most materials become denser as they cool. Their atoms slow down, move closer together, and become more compact. But water breaks the rules. As water cools, it does become denser and it hits 4 degrees Celsius. After that, something weird happens. Instead of continuing to contract, it begins to expand. At 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes ice. But ice is actually less dense than liquid water. That's why ice floats. It's because of the unique shape of water molecules and the hydrogen bonds between them. Water molecules are shaped like little boomerangs, with a slight positive charge on one side and a negative on the other. When they freeze, they arrange themselves into a crystalline structure that spaces them further apart. That structure is open and hexagonal. It's what gives snowflakes their signature shape and ice its buoyancy. In terms of density, the molecules in ice are spaced farther apart than in liquid water, making it lighter by volume. So, when you drop an ice cube into your drink, it floats gently to the top. Now, here's where things get wild. This single factors floating keeps Earth habitable. If ice sank, lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up. Each winter would add a new layer of ice, trapping marine life below in a frozen tomb. Over time, some bodies of water would never melt completely in summer. Life beneath the surface would struggle or vanish entirely. Instead, because ice floats, it acts as an insulating layer on top of the water. It slows the cooling of the liquid below, giving fish and other aquatic life a fighting chance through harsh winters. It's nature's own survival blanket. And it's not just aquatic life that benefits. Floating ice influences ocean currents, weather patterns, and even Earth's climate. The polar ice caps reflect sunlight back into space, helping regulate the planet's temperature. Ice that floated up rather than sunk down has literally shaped Earth's climate history. Pretty impressive for something as ordinary as frozen water. So next time you hear the satisfying clink of an ice cube dropping into your glass, remember this: that tiny bit of floating frozen water is part of one of the most elegant life support systems on the planet.